What's up? We're back. Day 10, part 2. It is about sunset time. About 8 o'clock. Figured I'd get a little bit more wheelie practice in. I figured the cops would be gone by now, so they are. So let's do some fucking wheelies. Like fuzzy shit from a tree or something. I don't know. Just making sure it wasn't glass. Alright, that one was pretty bad. That's the first time we've had wildlife at a lot session. That's interesting. All right. Gotta keep it slower. I'm getting too high on the RPM. I don't want to go that fast. Man, my clutch finger is tired from the practice earlier today. Doing super great this session. That's alright. Some days are like that. Pretty good. Chasing still. Too high on the RPM. going so fast? To why I keep going so fast is because I keep letting it drop too far and I have to speed up and chase it to get it back up, but then I'm too scared to go farther back to slow it down. That's why. So I need to keep it slow. I need to stop letting it fall too far forward. Comfortable on this bike though. I mean, I can't hold balance point for long, but definitely around there for a little bit. Fuel light definitely keeps turning on and on. Yelling at me. Fuck. Well, it's probably time to go get gas then. That's gonna be it for this one. Thanks for watching. Peace.